All right.
One more time.
Karen, I wanted to show this for all those fans out there that think the glamorous life of a driver is simply staying in the coach. You're working your tail off, right?
I do. Owning a team, managing a team, riding a bike for the team, it is hard work, but it's all worth it.
How many years now you been in Pro Stock Motorcycle?
Oh, I started in 2013 for full seasons, but I raced a couple times in '96, so
excellent.
You can do the math. It's been quite a long time.
Well, we always enjoy having you out here. I got to ask you your perspective on the 2018 season. How did it go for you?
You know, for us personally, it was the worst season in my history of both professional racing and bracket racing. We had a lot of issues this year. 60 NQs, that's a record for me. I haven't had that in my entire life, much less in one season, but it's over, and hopefully we can put it all behind us. We're getting hard. We're going back to Indy shop. We're doing a lot of hard work. We're changing the bikes up. And big news coming next year. I don't know where I'm going to be yet, but there's big news.
Oh, see, that's the kind of, I wanted to see if I could get a little nugget. I've heard these rumors. Some are saying Karen's stepping away. Well, congratulations on the four-wheel deal. We know you're now racing four wheels, right?
Yeah. So that might be why I'm stepping away. Don't know yet. Don't know what's going on. You never know what I'm going to do. I got a lot of things cooking. Do need a little bit of extra funding to do exactly what we want to do, but hey, I'll be here somehow. Perfect.
We look forward to that. We'll let you continue packing up. Thanks so much, and congratulations on another great season. Even though you said it wasn't great.
It wasn't.
Hey,
the fans were awesome. It was just my racing that was terrible.
The fans were awesome, and just making it through a season's an accomplishment. So
it is. It's tough out here.
There you go. Congrats, Karen.
Thanks.
Hope to see you next year. Karen Stoffer, packing up. As I said, guys, a lot of hard work. Look at this. It's not as glamorous as you think. Everybody's working. We got everybody. Good job. Thanks for pitching in. Breaking down the Suzuki trailer.